that didn't sound too good. I said, y'all ready to see some stunts? We like to risk our lives. How about you guys? That's why you don't get a seat. All right, well, every man for himself.
You guys are dumb.
He hit the door.
Yeah, I know. I seen it.
Why is this door locked? That door's always
Every
locked.
day. Jeez. I got you!
No, you didn't.
No, I got you.
No,
I'm trying to
hey, I had a force field. You can't get me.
There's no force field, Danny.
Yes, all right, you know what? Just take that.
Throw your gun at me. Just go get more rounds.
Oh,
I left them up there for you.
yeah, I can do that.
Hey, Dad, I need your help. Come here. I need a human shield right here, all right? No, I said a human shield. Are you crazy? Thanks, I appreciate that. Get up there, Danny.
Yeah.
You see them?
No.
They're right up there.
Where?
Right up there.
I don't see him.
Oh my, okay, Danny, they're right. You want some dynamite? You're crazy.
What did you do?
That's right.
Hey, everyone, guess where I'm from? It's Carlos. Apparently, he's got like lots of metal back there. That's not Carlos. This is Carlos. No, it's not. This is the one and only Carlos. That's not Carlos. We'll put this pole here. That pole has literally always been there. Who's having a good time? Come on, I can't hear you. Who wants to see some more stunts? That's having less enthusiasm.
You better go, Danny. Look out, I got something for you.
Look out!
Oh, I didn't think that would work.
Yeah, that was kind of cool.
That was weird.
Yeah, I think you got him.
Hey, where you going?
I'm going over here.
No, get back. David! David, fight me like a man!
No!
David!
No!
It's all right. I know where he's headed. I'm gonna cut him off around back.
That door's locked, Caleb. All right. How y'all doing out there? Oh, good. So I'm going up here to get the high ground on Caleb. Always best to have the high ground during a gunfight. And this is a lot of rungs and it's really hot. It's actually quite breezy up here. It's a lot better up here, Danny. Danny, it's a lot better up here. Is it? It is. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna find Caleb and I'm gonna shoot him right at high, Caleb.
You're gonna what?
Nothing.
Hey, David, this ladder's really old.
I know.
It could fall
Yeah,
over.
No, don't.
It could fall over at any.
Don't do that.
minute.
No. Whoa.
I'm joking. I wouldn't actually do that. We're best friends.
Yeah, we're really close friends. I'm actually dating his sister. I didn't tell him. I thought you told him. No. You said that you told him. No. What did you do?
You hear what he said?
Yeah, I supported them.
What?
Yeah. You killed David. He was like the craftiest one. Wait, stop. How are you doing that?
Apparently it's a water pistol. Hey, Danny, say hello to my little friend.
That's kind of funny, Caleb. But why don't you say hello to my shotgun?
Your what?
Safety first.
First,
It's
yeah.
kinda... Did you get it? I got him. Hey, great job, man. Yeah. Awesome. Oh, okay. Ready? All right. David, you did such a good job. I got a little present for you. Oh, that's okay. That's fine. I got a little. You better start running. What was that? That was Carlos saving me. Sayonara, fella. Oh yeah. Thank you guys for seeing our Hollywood Stunt Show. Give it up one more time. And Caleb. My name is Danny. the past 80 years. This has been where the spirit of the Old West comes alive.